Hey, what's up, YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video, a lot of you guys gonna be really ticked off because what Equifax has done. Equifax has screwed over a lot of people. So what recently happened is that Equifax, okay, they had been furnishing banks the wrong credit score, okay. So back in the springtime, people that was shopping for cars and mortgages and stuff like that, they had sent them the wrong credit score. So that credit score, they say, could have been between upwards of 20 points or higher. Okay, that they lowered your credit score. All right, it could have increased your credit score or lowered your credit score. So even like people that didn't have a credit file, they end up having a 700 credit score. But people that had a credit file could have lowered your credit score. All right. Now here's the thing about it: they were sending these credit scores out to the banks like Ally Financial, to Wells Fargo, to Chase Bank, and other lenders and stuff. So if you had been trying to shop for a car loan or a mortgage or something, you have been denied because of your Equifax score, then that's one of the reasons why you have been denied. Now here's something else that's interesting. Now you remember back in 2017, Equifax had the data breach, right? Where it had exposed over 150 million people's social security numbers, phone numbers, names, addresses, and stuff, right? All right. Here's the thing about it. They were well aware of that, like almost a year into it. So now they're coming out just to admit that they sent out the wrong credit scores. It could have been they knew about this longer than the springtime. Now they're just coming out to admit it. That's one thing. Now here's another thing you have to understand, that like I've had clients to pull my FICO scores, right? And a couple of my clients, they've been having issues. My FICO has been having issues pulling clients' Equifax credit files. They've been telling me they cannot pull their Equifax credit file. I would say it was just a miss if it was just one, but it was quite a few of my clients. They couldn't get access. My FICO could not get access to their Equifax credit file. Now, I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it can affect, like if you may have your credit file blocked or something like that, because you've been disputing inquiries or collections accounts or something like that, right? But here's the thing about it. Equifax is one of the most challenging credit bureaus anyway. Whenever you're trying to challenge stuff, they don't want to remove items and stuff. So the best way for you to deal with them is through the CFPB. Okay, you have to go to cfpb.org and put in a complaint. Okay, so whenever you're trying to challenge removing inquiries, or you're trying to challenge removing old collections accounts and stuff, you have to fight Equifax. Even the other credit bureaus, I would tell you, you need to fight them with the CFPB, putting in a complaint with them. All right, so because they're not in compliance. And here's the thing most people don't understand. The worse your credit score is, the more money these credit bureaus make off of you, okay? The worse your credit score is, the more money these credit bureaus make off of you, all right? So if you've been having challenges removing negative items off of your Equifax and stuff like that, or if you had been trying to get approved for a car loan or a mortgage or something like that this past spring or something like that, or recently, that may be the problem, that they have been furnishing the wrong credit score to the financial institution you've been applying for, all right? So if you have any other questions about your personal credit, business credit funding, or you're trying to understand which is your FICO 8, FICO 9 credit score, click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.